In honor of the Derby, we are going to be making the Oaks Lily cocktail. We are going to start off with half an ounce of simple syrup, half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 3 ounces of cranberry juice. This is a very awkward bottle to hold. Just I honestly am waiting for me to drop it. It's quite obnoxious. Woo! A little extra there. Then half an ounce of orange liqueur. And last but not least, an ounce and a half of vodka. Just enough. Holy smokes. All right. Now that all of the ingredients are in the shaker tin, we're going to add ice and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hands. All right, we are going to put ice into our highball glass. And then because we use that fresh juice, we are going to use our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer, and we are going to strain right over our ice. Gorgeous. All right. Cocktails are never complete unless they have a garnish. I know, we're putting the garnish on, buddy. All right, we're going to use a lemon wheel. We're just going to kind of tuck it right there behind the ice. And then we are going to do a double blackberry skewer right in front of there. And there we have it. The Oaks Lily cocktail. All right, I'm going to do a straw with this one. Okay. Okay. So again, we're going to rate the cocktail. 5 being the best, 1 being the least best. This one, I would probably have to go with, I think I'm going to go with like a 3.5 out of 5. Again, good cocktail. It's drinkable. It just doesn't really wow me a whole lot. I mean, if you're just looking for a cocktail to just kind of smash, she's it. But flavors are definitely going to be more on the cranberry side. You get a hint of the orange liqueur in there. But again, very light, very easy drinking cocktail. It would definitely be perfect sitting watching some horses run around a track for sure. All right. If you enjoy the cocktails and my gorgeous face every day talking about random horses running around a track, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you make the cocktail. What's your rating on the cocktail? I can't wait until I hear from you guys on the next one. Cheers.